Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to your Ledger Nano S Plus in 2025. With cryptocurrency markets more volatile than ever, securing your assets in a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano S Plus is a smart move to protect against hacks and losses. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to complete this transfer safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the basics covered. You'll need a Robinhood account with XRP in it, a fully set-up Ledger Nano S Plus device, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. Also, make sure the XRP app is added to your Ledger for seamless compatibility. Step 1. Start by powering on your Ledger Nano S Plus and connecting it to your computer via USB. Open the Ledger Live app and navigate to the Manager section to confirm that the XRP app is installed. If not, install it quickly. It's straightforward and takes just a few seconds. Step 2. Log into your Robinhood app or website and go to your portfolio. Find your XRP holdings, select them, and choose the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Robinhood might prompt you to enable withdrawals if it's your first time, so follow any on-screen instructions. Step 3. In Ledger Live, head to the Accounts tab, select your XRP wallet, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Robinhood. Step 4. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the transaction details. Confirm the transfer on Robinhood, and you'll be prompted to approve it on your Ledger device by entering your PIN and confirming via the screen. Once the transaction is processed on the XRP Ledger network, which might take a few minutes, your XRP will appear in your Ledger wallet. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and network status to ensure everything goes smoothly. A quick word of caution. Never share your private keys or wallet details, and always verify addresses to prevent scams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there.